This is the Magic Milk Experiment with a bonus art project at the end that's going to turn into a separate episode. So stay tuned for that. Watch out for that. Today's materials you will need are milk, and the higher fat content the better. You can always, and I've read that you can also use almond milk. Dish soap, Q-tips, food coloring, a shallow plate or dish, some kind of tray to catch any spills so that you can be creative, messy, and a bowl so that you could pour it out when you're done, when everything gets brown, and then do it again. All right, should we get started? Let's pour our milk, and we don't need it to be any deeper than 1/4 of an inch. All right. Now we're going to take our food coloring and drop at least 2 drops of each color wherever we want. Mix it in anywhere you want, just at least 2 drops. Okay. All right, so I'm putting some red and blue there, hoping to make purple. And I'm going to put some red with my yellow, hoping to make orange. Whoops, maybe not. Okay, well, we still need some green. Okay, got my drops of food coloring. Now I'm going to take a Q-tip, put it in my soap, just soap. I'm going to scoop it in one end, and then I'm also going to dip it in the other so I can go back and forth. All right, let's see what happens. I'm just going to touch it in quickly. Woo, that's cool. Now I'm going to go put it on the side between 2 and see what happens. Woo. Now I'm going to hold it there. Now you're just going to play with it. Ooh. I got some purplish. Here's a good explosion. I think it's because I still have soap on my Q-tip coming out. Once you do this and you have no more explosions happening, you can start to do some swirling for fun too. But when mine's moving, I don't really want to do any swirling. But you can keep playing with it, and then once you're done playing with it, you should stop and watch. Because look, it starts to do things on its own. Once it turns to brown, that's when you want to dump it in here and start over. I haven't even started any swirls yet. That's what's so cool, is that it keeps happening even later. Have fun.